In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $412 each day on autopilot by using affiliate marketing. So even if you are a complete beginner in affiliate marketing, then also you can use this strategy to make money for yourself. So firstly, you need to have an affiliate account on some network like maybe ClickBank. You can use any network that you want, but for this video's purpose, I'm going to show you everything on ClickBank. First thing that you need to do is you need to create an account on ClickBank. It is extremely simple to create an account on ClickBank. You can just click on start here and then follow everything in a step-by-step process, and you will be able to create your own ClickBank account. And once you create your ClickBank account, then just log into ClickBank and just click on the marketplace. Okay, and once you click on that marketplace and scroll below and click on this e-business and e-marketing, and you will be able to see a product that is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Okay, it has a good gravity and it pays good amount of cash. Now this type of offer works well with the strategy that I'm going to show you in this video. So I would suggest you to either select this kind of this exact offer, or you can also choose any offer from here. Okay, that is inside e-business and e-marketing. Always make sure, okay, there is an affiliate page for the offer that you are going to promote. And once you see this kind of affiliate page, then just click on it and you'll see this kind of interface. And once you see this kind of interface, then scroll below and search for email swipes. As you can see, here is the email swipes. Now if I click on it, then it will take me to the email that are available. There are altogether 20 emails available at here, and I can click on any email and see the title, subject, pre-header and body of that email, and I can use this email to promote this product that is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Okay, and now what I need to do is search for the best subject line, okay, that is interesting for people whoever will read this email. So for example, collect $200 for posting picture. Okay, you can similarly go to other emails. We still have no, it is not suitable. $175 per day for using Instagram. Okay, this kind of title you need to search, and you can read this body and you can make some edit. Okay, you just can simply copy this text and edit it in your notepad or wherever you want. Now you can just search for mailer link. Okay, just type mailer link in Google and just scroll below and find this exact link, that is mailerlink.ishopdailyonline.com. okay, just click on it. And then you'll see this kind of interface. You need to do nothing, just scroll below and click on buy mailer link plus bonus. Now of course, if you don't want to purchase this mailer link, which is extremely cheap in price, okay, I will also show you a free alternative of this one, but mailer link works extremely well. Okay, so let's see it a little bit clearly. Okay, as you can see, introducing the true world's first email traffic solution. Press send, mail blast any link for free buyer traffic. You're going to get buyer traffic in 20 seconds, okay, and make up to $412 per email blast, okay, by promoting affiliate offers. You don't need any website experience or tech skills. And as you can see, there is a 365 days money back guarantee, and I'm not promoting this product. I'm actually telling you to just go and search on Google and join this, okay, because it works. And as you can see, if you are not able to get the results, then they will even pay you $200 back. Okay, and you can click on get instant access and access now, and you will be able to enroll or get access to this mailer link for just $17 once. Okay, it is not a recurring payment, just once, $17, and you will be able to send email to various email that are categorized. Okay, you just need to type the keyword. If you want to promote like weight loss, then you can just type weight loss. If you want to promote make money offer, then you can just type make money, and you will get those kind of email list where you can send your email with the affiliate link attached to that email. Okay, but I can understand that most of you don't want to pay. If you can pay and use this mailer link, then you should absolutely use it and try it. Okay, and but if you don't have money and if you want a free alternative, then I'm going to show you another site that is going to give you absolutely free access to the email database, and that site is called Hercules herculist.com. Okay, just type herculist.com and you will be able to visit to this kind of interface, and you can advertise to 1,000 email address daily for absolutely free. I'm going to show you how exactly you can send email by using this free site. But firstly, you need to create an account. Just click on sign up and follow the process, and you will be able to create your account. Just don't forget to confirm your email address, because without confirming your email address you cannot send or advertise your email to this 1,000 people daily. Once you successfully sign up to Herculist and log into your Herculist account, then you will see somewhat this kind of interface. But don't get distracted at any point. Just click on these add mailers. Okay, wherever you see these add mailers, just click on it, and you will get this kind of interface where you can send regular mail to up to 1,000 people, okay, daily. Random user, not same users. Okay, and here is the subject line that you can put. And now what you need to do is just copy the subject line from ClickBank, 175 bucks per day for using Instagram, and just paste it here. Similarly, you can leave this free header if you don't want, and you can just copy this. Okay, copy all of these and just paste it here. Okay, and you can change, you can edit anything at here. Okay, you can delete this if you want, and in here you need to put your affiliate link. To put your affiliate link, just go to ClickBank and just beside this product, just click on this promote and just click on this create hop link, and you will get your unique affiliate link. Just click on copy and again go to here and put your link at here. Okay, but it is better to use like bit.ly or anything to shorten this URL. Okay, make this URL a little bit short and it will be good. Okay, because if people see this kind of weird link, then they may not click. But if you put some bit.ly, if you cover this link with bit.ly and make it short, then you getting click there is a higher chance of you getting click. Okay, and once you complete this, then just click on submit ad, and your ad will be shown to 1,000 people instantly. In this way, you can use mailer link and Herculist to make good amount of money for yourself. And if you found this video helpful, then please do like this video. And if you want to watch more this kind of video, then I have given lots of my best YouTube videos related to making money online in the description of this video. You can check that. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. So take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.